The trial is over. The papers are gathered, the gallery is empty, and the door closes on another family court case. One side walks out with a victory. The attorney closes the file, adding another win to their record, while the family they represented leaves the building fractured, their savings depleted, and their relationships permanently broken. Very few people enter family law with the intention of dismantling a family. It starts with a single file. They see a child's name, sit across from a parent in crisis, and truly believe they are stepping in to help someone survive the absolute worst period of their life. The shift from a willing protector into an instrument of destruction is slow. It happens through tiny, nearly invisible compromises built into the daily routine of the legal profession. It begins with a single sentence in a motion they don't entirely agree with, or a claim they suspect is slightly exaggerated. They include it anyway, telling themselves it's just strategy, a normal part of the job. This diagram illustrates family court physics. Drop in a block of conflict, an aggressive filing, and professional leverage instantly raises. Stretch the timeline with delays and control spikes. This creates a closed loop. Motions feed the cycle, spinning faster, building a tight ring of pressure. On paper, this cycle looks meticulously productive. The lawyer is billing hours, stamping files, and moving pieces on a board. In reality, the system is slowly tightening a vice around a human life. While the attorney is comfortably drafting their next set of arguments, totally focused on timelines and case strategy, the target of those filings is unraveling. A parent sits in their car outside the courthouse, hands shaking. They haven't slept in weeks. Then their phone lights up with another notification, another motion filed, another accusation to defend against. If the attorney actually felt the weight of that exhaustion, they couldn't keep doing the job, so their mind adapts to survive the dissonance. The opposing parent becomes a variable in negotiation. The child becomes custody leverage. The human being disappears. The legal system provides a specific set of vocabulary to maintain this detachment. They call it litigation strategy or zealous advocacy. These professional, sanitized terms act as psychological armor. They allow the advocate to inflict severe emotional pain while entirely avoiding the reality of the suffering they cause. But the armor occasionally fails. Eventually, there is a moment of silence, a child crying in the hallway, or a parent breaking down after a hearing, and the numbness shatters. In that split second of clarity, they are forced to confront a terrifying internal question: what am I becoming? This diagram outlines their choice. On the bottom path, refusing a harmful motion causes income and status to drop, but their integrity, that solid core, remains intact. The top path escalates the conflict. Success and power skyrocket, but their core completely shatters. The family court system is built on a logic where professional victory is the direct result of moral erosion. It is a machine that mathematically rewards the decision to stop feeling. Over time, the attorney who chose the path of professional success stops hesitating altogether. They become sharp, aggressively efficient, and completely hollow on the inside. They have adapted to a reality where profound emotional pain is converted into simple paperwork, and human lives are reduced to cases to be managed. When the advocate disappears, the resulting destruction is rarely recognized for what it is. To the outside world, it looks like professionalism,